Delivery day was one of the most memorable days of Tesla ownership, but before that, you don't really get much in the app. So in this video, I'm going to go over what to expect the days before delivery day and then delivery day itself.
Thank you for confirming your appointment. Please remember
The day before delivery, you get a call explaining what to bring to the delivery appointment and some other details, mainly about paperwork and payment. Now let's just get this out of the way. Even though it's called delivery day, you're actually picking the car up. Nothing's getting delivered to you. They're not showing up to your front door with a tow truck and your brand new Tesla outside your house. Anyways, the hype was enough to cover the letdown. And speaking of hype, when you get to the delivery area, you're greeted with a couple of clean-looking Teslas, some swanky music, coffee, water, and we were greeted with friendly staff who let us know that they were finalizing the detailing on our car. Eventually, you're then shown to your car maybe about 5-10 minutes later, and you get some help with setting up your phone as a key, and you get to just chill in your car, take your time, learn more about it, and that was a huge plus for me as this is my first Tesla. Whether this is your first Tesla or your 10th Tesla, you get as much time as you need to get comfortable with the settings and the controls, and this is where we would Google things like
just pull all the way down with your foot on the brake. Drive.
And normally with these situations, I tend to feel anxious, so this was cool that it was just a really low pressure environment. There was no time crunch, no hurry, no nothing like that. Once you feel comfortable enough to drive off, you go back inside, you sign some paperwork and accept delivery in the app, which has legal implications, for example, tax incentives and all that fun stuff. And then you can use the bathroom if you'd like, at least in the Seattle location, and then you're off.
Pretty smooth, pretty streamlined, pretty sleek, but I am a little uneasy about driving it just because it's my first time. The go-kart thing, regenerative braking or whatever it's called, it feels okay. Maiden voyage home, I'm gonna try not to crash this thing.
Overall, it was a seamless experience. It was pretty fun. It was a foreshadow of the experience of owning a Tesla, and it's been great so far. So if you're excited about delivery day, you should be, because it's a fun and great experience. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're interested in more Tesla videos, let me know what you'd like to see in the comment section down below. We ended up getting a Model Y 2023 version, and thank you, and make it a great day.
This is what new car smells like, okay? Just so you know.
Okay.